Hi everyone, today I will explain the Unit 2 Improving their Writing Skills in Foreign Language Teaching with ISTS. Well, this Unit 2 has 4 articles. Let's start with the first. Improving Writing Literacy through Digital Gaming Literacy. Facebook Gaming in the Composition Classroom. Digital literacy involves the public nature of writing, social networking through technological mediums, communicating with others through a social medium, and disappearing multi-modes at one time. Well, Facebook is one of the platforms many students access, practically one on a daily basis. Then Facebook allows them to communicate and share information about what is occurring around them. For this reason, one positive aspect of implementing Facebook into the curriculum is that it's cost effective. So we can know the internet, computer games, digital video, mobile phones, and other contemporary technology provide new ways of mediating and representing the world and of communicating. Well, these practices inform the skills of navigating digital literacy. We have Mafia Words. It's a game on Facebook that involves joining a fictional mafia family with Facebook friends and fighting other mafias. And we have engagement, problem solving, and collaboration. 3 aspects that are important in composition. Engagement. We want our students to have the same enthusiasm for playing these games as I do for our assessment. And problem solving in questioning. When the students participate in gaming or composition, they apply problem-solving skills in composition when the students sit down to compose and engage with the writing process. Now we have the second, exploring classroom microblogs to improve writing of middle school students. Well, this article starts explore whether participants' writing change when using microblogging tool in Edmodo. For this study, participants were expected to write one paragraph as episode to an entire essay response. And the purpose or objective is to explore how adolescent students use microblogging in their formal writing practices in an English class. Well, microblogging consists of short, concise words of writing, whether for social or academic purpose, and differs from blogs. And the students are immersed with technology each day. That digital literacy has become a major component of school curriculum. And this microblog serves as a tool to trace the incorporation of digital literacies into a learning environment. And now we had a third about mobile learning improve writing in ESL teaching. Well, teaching language, especially foreign language, assisted by computers are called computer-assisted language learning and by mobile device or mode. And this article says that one of the options for mobile learning includes podcasts, and this podcast can be audio or video files transmitted through internet, which are made to show contents and are considered very useful to facilitating the learning English as a foreign language in the students. And functional system A linguistic FSL conceives language as a resource to build, elaborate, and explain meanings immersed in the social and cultural contents. And finally, we have a mobile-based learning tool to improve writing skills of EFL learners. And this article said that mobile computing becomes an attractive motivation for FL learners in Korea. Yeah, because in this place, Korea provides an excellent environment for using mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets, computers with a very easy way to access to wireless. And wireless communication technology is rapidly growing and has produced advanced computing devices which are still evolving. And this mobile-based language learning in particular is recognized as a potential and convenient way and a very as an extension to currently existing methods. Well, and this tool, mobile-based, the errors are divided into systematic and non-systematic errors. And this article told that there are three important aspects: questions, answer, and feedback. And tell about app interface, that is the tool, and this tool provides the learners with evaluation results stored from the previous exercise. Well, final in a nutshell, about this article, this paper has present a mobile-based English learning tool that is designed to improve writing skills of Korean EFL learners. And that's all. Thank you.